Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and beginner-friendly budgeting strategies out there, the 50-30-20 rule. If budgeting has ever felt overwhelming, confusing, or downright boring, don't worry. Today's episode will change that. Let's jump in.
Welcome to Personal Finance Cat, where I share my personal take on personal finance.
So, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? This method was popularized by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth, The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. It's a simple budgeting guideline that helps you divide your after-tax income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Let's break each of those down. 50% for needs. This is your must-have category. It includes things you literally can't live without, like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, health insurance, car payments or transportation, minimum debt payments. If it's something you'd still be paying for, even if times got tough, it probably belongs here. Now, quick tip. If your quote-unquote needs are taking up more than 50%, it might be time to reevaluate your lifestyle choices. Maybe look at housing costs or transportation options to trim that fat. 30% wants. Ah, yes, the fun category. These are the things that make life enjoyable, but aren't strictly necessary, like dining out, subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify, travel and vacations, shopping for non-essentials, hobbies. Remember, wants aren't bad. They're part of a healthy, balanced life. But keeping them at 30% or below helps you stay financially responsible and enjoy your money. 20%, savings and debt repayment. Here's where you build your future. This category includes emergency fund contributions, retirement savings like 401ks or IRAs, paying off extra debt above minimums, investment accounts. The goal here is to not only protect yourself from financial surprises, but also to create long-term financial freedom. So, how do you apply it? Okay, let's say you take home $4,000 a month after taxes. Here's how the 50-30-20 rule would break that down. $2,000 for needs, $1,200 for wants, $800 for savings and debt. Want to try this out? You can start by tracking your current spending for 1 month. Then plug those numbers into this framework and see how you line up. You may be surprised where your money's going. To conclude, the beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is that it's flexible, simple, and effective. No complicated spreadsheets, no financial degree required. It's a great starting point if you're just beginning your financial journey, or even if you're looking for a reset. And remember, personal finance is personal. If you want to save more aggressively, or if your needs take up a little more right now, that's okay. The key is intentionality, knowing where your money goes and making sure it aligns with your goals. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend who's trying to get their finances in shape. Until next time, stay savvy and stay positive about your financial future.